Tip number 6. This is a fun way to improve your practice English by acting out real life situations. Role playing helps you improve your fluency and response in everyday situations. This is a fun way to practice English by acting out real life situations. Role playing helps you improve your fluency and response in everyday situations. First, find a partner to practice with. It can be a friend, a family member, or another English learner. Choose a situation to act out. For examples, you can practice ordering food in restaurant, booking in hotel room, or asking for the direction. Here is how it works. Let's say you choose, for examples, booking a hotel room. One person can be guest and another person can be hotel receptionist. The guest can say, hello, I would like to book a room for the 2 nights. The receptionist can ask, what dates would you like to stay with us? You can switch role and practice different scenarios. This helps you get comfortable with the different types of conversations. It helps you think quickly and respond naturally in English. You will feel more confident when you are actually face these situations in the real life. Tips number 7. Use paraphrasing techniques. This is a great way to improve your understanding and speaking skills in English. Paraphrasing means to read or listen to something and then explain it your own words. First, find a text to read or an audio to listen to. It can be a news articles, a story, or even a short videos. Read or listen to it carefully. Try to understand the main ideas and the details. It can be news articles, story, or even a short videos. Read or listen to it carefully. Try to understand the main ideas and the details. Next, put the text or audio away. Now try to explain what you text, read, or heard in your own words. For examples, if you read a story about a dog that saved a child, you can say, I read a story about a brave dog. The dog saw a child in a danger and helped to save the child. Paraphrasing helps you check your understanding. If you can explain it in your own words, it means you understood it well. If you have a trouble, you can go back and read or listen again. This technique also helps you practice speaking and organizing your thoughts. You learn two different words and a phrase to express the same ideas. It improves your vocabulary and your ability to explain things clearly. Remember, the goal is to understand and express the main ideas in a simple way. Don't worry about getting every details perfect. Just focus on the main points and practice using your own words. Also start using the paraphrasing techniques today. This is the tip number 8. Practice expansion techniques. This is a great way to improve your ability to describe things and add more details to your sentence. It helps you speak more clearly and expressively. Here is how it works. Start with a simple sentence, then add more details to make it longer and more interesting. For examples, start with the sentence, I have a cat. Now let's explain it. I have a small black cat. We added two details, small and black. Next, let's add even more details. I have a small black cat that loves to play with the red ball. You see, we made the sentence much more interesting by adding details. This helps you learn how to describe the things better and make your sentence richer. When you practice these techniques, you will learn to add details naturally. It helps you think in English and improve your ability to describe the things clearly. Don't Do not let the fear of making mistakes stop your speaking. Remember, making mistakes is a part of learning. First, remember that everyone makes mistakes, even native English speakers make mistakes. It is normal and okay. The most important thing is to communicate. People will understand you even if you make a small mistakes. Second, practice in speaking as much as you can. The more you practice, the more you confident you will be become. Talk to the friends, family, or even yourself. You can also talk to the people online or join in English speaking group. Third, focus on what you can do, not on what you cannot do. Celebrate your progress even if it is small. Every step you take is to step towards improvement. For example, if you learn 5 new words today, that is great. Be proud of yourself. Fourth, do not compare yourself to the others. Everyone learns at their own pace. Some people learn faster and some takes more time. What matters is your own progress. Keep practicing and you will get better. Fifth, use positive affirmation. Tell yourself, I can do this. I am getting better every day. Positive thinking helps you feel more confident and motivated. Remember that confidence comes from practice and experience. The more you see English, the more confident you feel. Do not be afraid to speak up. Your confidence will be grow over time. Tips number 10. Practice role switching. This is a fun way to improve your flexibility and conversations. Role switching means changing roles during the conversations. For examples, if one person asks questions, the other person answer and then you switch roles. For examples, you can talk about your favorite foods, hobbies, or plans for the weekend. For examples, one person can ask, what is your favorite food? And other person can answer, my favorite food is pizza. The person who answered will now ask the questions, what is your favorite hobby? And other persons will answer. Role switching helps you practice both asking and answering questions. It improves your ability to think quickly and respond naturally. It also makes practicing English more interactive and enjoyable. Remember, improve your English takes time and practice, but you cannot do it. The next video is all about easy and fun ways to practice English without leaving your house. You will learn great tips and tricks to improve your English every day. If you want to know how to learn English,